Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you 4 tips for forward parking a car. In this video, I'll be going over 4 simple tips for parking your car forwards into a parking spot. Let's get right to it. There's actually a parking spot up there. I think there are a few parking spots up there, and I'm going to be forward parking my car and telling you the tips. Tip number 1 is to go wide if you can. So if I wanted to park it in this spot over here between this silver car and the blue car, between this gray car and the blue car, okay, I could start off, close to the cars, and I could park the car, but it's easier to get the appropriate angle if I go wide. So what I would do is I would start off over here, and I'm going wide to park the car. It just makes it so much easier to park the car. Okay, so that's tip number 1, is go wide. Tip number 2 is estimate your starting spot properly. So I know that, I'm just gonna put my signal on. If I start right here, if I turn the wheel right here, I could probably get into the spot. But I know that if I move forward just a little bit more, it's gonna be much easier for me to get into the spot like this. And as I turn the wheel, you'll see what I'm talking about. I know that I can get into the spot like this because I moved forward those few inches, okay? It really helps. Those extra few inches really help, okay? So that's tip number 2, estimate your starting position properly, okay? Tip number 3 is know the distance of your far corner. So right now I'm going in and I know that my far corner is okay and I'm not gonna scrape, okay? But I have seen so many people go into a parking spot, okay, and scrape their far corner because they don't know how to estimate the distance of where their far corner is, okay? Now this parking spot is actually really tight. I don't even know if there's enough space for my car to fit, simply because it's snowing outside and these people probably found it very hard to see the lines. But you want to make sure that you're not going to scrape your far corner. And I'm not going to pull all the way in because I don't want to scrape my far corner. It seems like I'm very close right now. Tip number 4, last but not least, is don't be afraid to correct your position. So let's say, and I'm just going to reverse out of this spot right now for this video. Let's say that you park your car and it's on an angle, okay? You don't want to be afraid to correct your position, okay? You don't want to be afraid to correct your position. If you park your car and it's on an angle, pull out and fix the position of the car. Let's just go around right here. And let's see what we can do with regards to showing you another forward park in a different spot that has a little bit more space. Okay, so don't be afraid to correct your position. I'm going to be parking in there, over there once again, and I'll show you all 4 tips all together. Okay, so tip number 1, once again, was go wide. Okay, tip number 2 was estimate your starting position. Tip number 3 was know where your far corner is. And tip number 4 is don't be afraid to correct yourself if you don't like how you parked, if you're too close to one side, too close to the other side, or if you're on an angle. So what I'm going to do right here, we'll park in another spot that has more space, an adequate amount of space. So right here, we're going to park right over here, put my right signal on. I'm going wide, okay? I'm estimating my starting position. I'm knowing the distance of my far corner over here, which is basically the corner that, you're turning with, you're turning on. So this way right here. So I'm turning right, it's the left corner. If I was turning left, it's the right corner. And then also, I'm not going to be afraid to correct my position. So let's say I got in here and I say, you know what? I'm a little too close to the car on the left. I'm going to put it in reverse. We're going to actually make our way like this to swivel to the right, and I'll go forward. And that's basically it. Those are 4 tips for forward parking a car. Very simple tips that you can use every single time that you forward park a car. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your tips are for forward parking a car in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.